Hey everyone, it's Brian here from B&D Crafts More here on YouTube. Today I'm coming on with my episode 2, the 323 submission for Craft Roulette, which aired last Friday, June, I think it was the 12th. Yes, June 12th, 2026. Host was Sarah Anderson. And this was what Mr. Wheel came up with for our parameters. Project's going to be an A7, which is really a 5x7 inch card. Color scheme is going to be pretty. Element is going to be photo booth, so we don't have to put an actual photo booth on there. We can put something that represents a photo booth on there. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. And a random parameter is geometric shape or geometric shapes. So I already went ahead, cut my card out of a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, 7 inches by 11 inches. No, 7 inches by 10 inches, yes. So I cut, this is 8.5 by 11, pretend it is. Cut 1.5 inches off the right side on the short side, and then just cut 1 inch off the long side. 4.5, you got an A7. I put a mat on it that is 6.5 by 4, no, 6 3/4 by 4 3/4. And I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to be doing for geometric shapes. We could just, wing it. I mean, let's see what we got out already. Geometric shapes right there. So I'm going to try to get some a little bit, well, I'm going to do something here. We're going to cut this down to 4 by 6. I think that'll work. That should work. Nice, large yellow border here. I'm going to go ahead and put this down with some glue. I'm going to try to get closer to the camera because I apologize, y'all. Lots of times I am out of camera range for some reason. Something always happens. I knock it or something, and I apologize for that. There we go. Let's see, a little scraper here for the cricket mat. I can use that as glue, thinner, or whatever. So next, what I want to do, we're using pretty colors, of course. 5x7 card. I'm going to cut 3 squares out. I think I know what we're going to do now here. 2 inch by 2 inch. So we are going to do this. Put that to the side. That can be used on another project. 1, 2, and we need 3 of these for this card. And these are going to be our little film strips. Oh, well, the pieces go inside film strip, I guess. I'm going to emphasize with film strip quite a bit. I'll show you what I'll be doing in just a moment. Okay. Well, we need this still. Let me think. Okay, please. There we go. Got a piece of black cardstock here. We're gonna see how wide this is. I'm wanting to go, let's see, maybe starters 2.5 by 6.5. See how that works. It probably won't work. Let's see. You know what? We're going to do a little different, actually. We're going to do this still 7 inches, but we're going to do this 3 inches. Three by 6.5. No, yeah. 3 by 6.5, yes. So I want a wider border here on the left and right side than on going up and down. So I'm going to go ahead and test run these real quick. Okay. Here we go. There we go. I think that'll look good. So I'm going to go ahead. Like that. Grab my rag here. Just washcloth. Dry the glue off. And next, here we go. Maybe to about here. Straighten that out a little bit, maybe. And we got this one, which will cut off the top just a tiniest little bit. I probably could straighten these out a lot better, too. Okay, here we go. Okay, gonna bring this out again. Maybe like 2 3/8 to 3/16 of an inch off of this. So that matches there. Oh, really doesn't. No, it does. Now I'm going to take about 1/8 of an inch off of the left and right side as well, or at least one of it. We'll figure it out in just a moment. Okay, and let's see here. Where are we stand out with this? Okay, maybe 3/8. So, okay. I'll cut this down. Maybe like 3/16. See how that goes. It looks okay. So we're going to find a little home for this, like right about here. And I want to just go ahead and use some double-side tape on this particular one. Here we go. Now I'm just going to do the left side and the right side only. The middle does not really need any tape. And I'm not going to bother about the top and bottom because, I can just do that a little bit after the fact if I need to. So I see there's a little bit overage here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that away or trim it away or whatever. So here we go. Here we go. And that's going to go, let's see, tuck this in. And we're going to go probably something like that. Everything should say on the card, yes. Okay. And I'm thinking, just do a little be happy thing on there. Let's cut that out. And that's okay, I think. Get that off. Let's see what I can do about punching something out, though. See if this will work. It might not. It did. Cool. I know it's off center and everything, but we don't care. It's fine. I'm going to go ahead and get some foam dots, or foam squares, I should say, and pop it up some, I mean. So I hope you all like this video. Let me know in the comments, where you're coming from, what city, what state, or whatever. And let me know if you're new here. Or, of course, if you've been here a lot before, I know you're not new, obviously. But just let me know where you're coming from, watching from. And let me know if you'd like to see some giveaways on this channel in the near future. Because I'd like to do some. So here we go. The card is done already. We got our 5x7 card here. Got our pretty colors. We got a film strip of sorts. And we got geometric shapes. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell for all notifications. I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.